Abusan for Uncle Pony, Michelle Obia, Midrin said Obia. My head for Ubana, Bashe video, ya, Oba, or their share video. No, they may hear say Oba share video. No, na Koswa and Eti, Uncle Paul. Opa said the Uncle Paul, me, no, when it's one, Oba, ya, okay, video be no one share. Uncle Paul, me go Dubai, ya, we are away. No, na, it do baby say I was seeing I can't drink. Ya can't drink. Na ya chere adwene ema de ekoso Ghana no ya nka bia na yeyi o kan so a na enipa no bi so omu beka de omu pe na wo ha ba no kre na wo se itimika awie yi anwumre ya Dubai de abo 6:30 610 and ye your friend is saying Wednesday 19th May, the American said, and never be so Ghana, say a share, na you dear qua Anna Ahmetica. Bending this expensive things, excavators are a bino, a military fortune, Uncle Paul. I don't think it's a good idea, and it's not a good method for modern Ghana. Adentia me kasa and say these excavators are very expensive because en check ra na obi kan say minto bi ma no e Dubai na me call ya me ko bisa ye no used one na no me kan ho asem na me san kan bi mine no it was like 3 in Dubai sikano no which is about 350,000 sikano mu a Dubai no je de ko Ghana sai sikano mu a na say ko be se be 550 to 600 old cities no okay 600 million yeah as I say no kwa say can say sikano mu a which is about 60,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, for now and no the price Dubai na make a show obey duty would be share a excavator would be share rule run obey would be trooper obey duty I'll be to it's not small money. So why me video no I check a gram fan sharing go and for me drive. Why is government banning distance? Why? I don't understand it. Unless maybe they tell us. Because idea way idea 8 billion old cities. Okay? Now over shino for Sebi and the person thing. Mean I think say the system of Ghana have to work. Me, I believe say people are saying we should government will fix it's near government in Ghana also will fix it Ghana now. Maybe I'm come the Ghana have to be fixed. And the fixing of Ghana, for Mamma Dubai can cry, and I'm there, and I'm a driver, and I'm a set over human. I'm a Dubai road, no so. Now, more, you like the feeling of Dubai and more from Dubai road. So, my main come as my best mechanic say the fixing, fixed Ghana now. It's not even now. Fixed Ghana. Now, if government is fixing Ghana, said an anime the people also we have to fix our attitude. This Ghana need to be fixed. That's good enough. But the attitude of Ghanaians also have to be fixed. Or we think say Ghana which Uncle Paul begin say and yet you will subai baby than me bo baby so yeah entino aban and so you have to fix so many things and that you have to do. And you be house are buying or fix it. Okay? And you know, say me can't actually a buying on Yama also fix ya. And ya near back on a baby. The rules, Dubai rules. Sa the crime in Namusi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes. Wait a town. Wait a set Accra, Ufri Circle, Echo Accra road. Wait inside Dubai. Wait inside Dubai. Pamaland, away there area, you know, it's like why did we to make a roader? Yeah, roader, a double road no crown on a adding. edienti and I was say ye road grana ne ye air ding aban no you need to fix this road water I was thinking if you party what here I was aban no making sure say ensure edienti na was a light of eba me o catch me amentiase because this thing is a basic things I was a nipa oh why I was so feel you need to have it edienti na yenya enti anuanom niamani bi wo ho if we are fixing it, government have to fix because we need a system. Now, my member masem so. As someone na make say ya and say the government is not having a system to fix things. And until na year brain. Government is not having a system to organize or to govern the country. I didn't na make say excavator is gonna say wo ade we 1 billion cash. What they are told us for jatum. Metiasia enye because sikani is a big amount and now we need these machines to work. These machines make me a juma bebre if you grant the damage that these people have done. And then the government no who say sad damage is when and some machines na was say yes I juma no. And that means government no onyene who ni. This is where the pains I have the pain. The government no onyene who ni say oje machines na no betimi ahwe machine no so. This is how we have to, and you know that means the system have to work. Man, I believe the system because if you have system and who yes nipa ko gina to ekogigi to if the system is working now people should not stay there to say me kwa ko fa selikim be duru ho nobody is sitting there and me tag na bo hai yateme metua o de ko Ghana sikemu a to bi abefam bia no about nearly about 7 cities. Ubetia, oh Dubai. One day we tia to bebre. Entino a government. Untiming and setting up system. So beji excavators. But no betimi get that or babia. Ubetimi dia ye bibi fufro. Yentimi fanye. Because ye jiji ani pa betimi akofa. Entino sometimes ni mani bo ho a what uhu a enya wo ne de ye but enipa su wo mu a na ye oya. A woman say, mindful no mass one government. I can't say, Mama, me insure, almost say no, a idea shimmy papa. Say, yet go to Caribbean obey for 2 months in Kwan Hunty. Oh, the machine I could see to light and no, agent say, Indiana, me, Bobby Agum, semi driver. I will let you watch the road. Now, insure ye ben no Nintino, Obi Aquaco General now, no, oh, say insure no. For sake of Wusika Kakra obedi no. So what did you think? You okay say Sadia na wo ye na betimi aboa. No way. Me nya sure say it's good he say wo bet say wo kakra wo pay die ntino. Na what say Ghana nsuo. What say Ghana nsuo nyina. Wo the machine akosim to na China for no so na Ghana for na so boa wo mu. No do mu nam village. Sika kakra wo pay die. Wo wia na wo de say sika no wakwakoto pure water and the kuku them now they know aduane na ni pay gufa ho etimi nuanom they say the government have to fix the country which I think is a good thing some people are calling for but we Ghanaians also have to fix our attitude. It doesn't go by fixing only because and no na me hwe Kofi Adoma nwanwani enen nansa na ko gina odo ho Kofi mechiao akopo mechiao pa medase video now oh yeah no trendy papa now me share a video no about 54K within 1 week. Wow. Kofi TV I think say you are doing great job. Brago fi me chop na and you know mama nka masem enti say wo timi eko gina baby a yesi utimi say hanya baby e ko toilet na no me kan say bebre uko gina poano na wo ko toilet wo ho Ghana ni the opes wodi ni nko an ope Ghana government project bia umbeye bia no the people doesn't care about that. In Dubai you cannot do this. Dubai there's a rules here. There is a rules here. Say new rules ukra ba no. So we have visa. Now before answer our visa number out, you have to go and watch video. I was say okona ukoye video. Ukoshe video for about 1 hour. Ni e chira wo. Adi visa na e dia ma ono. Adi amenye. Don't do this, don't do that. That's a new rules. omo dia ba timo ma ye visa the same visa no me sure say mako video no bi entimo no video no you know this is fix the road am nam su ya me koi 3 lanes e wo Dubai 3 lanes we e nya kuma si to Accra na ye sabe sa village road na ne nam so na nipa nam kwan basa we so tesima you can the grafo kasabi sorry na maintenance just obi ba na wo so wo hia no da bia me kase me ba Ghana na me tika mu na me yam hyehye me because of the roads yeah you know a kwan ka bi bana ka bi bonsa ho why should we be in modern Ghana like this, especially our major roads Kumasi to Accra Kumasi to Tamale, from Accra to Tadi, from Accra to Lomi. All these Akosomo roads, all of them have to be like, you know, major road that was say to me, yeah. See a bit me on the double road. Dual carriage road now say to me, but the government is not ready to do all these things. It's in the media, the Americans say the excavator and government you have to come back again. Because me dream say a good thing to do. Because the money involved no a big money. Sikana is kakese pa. It's in a buy no. Me slamo adwuma bo ho amoya betumi adwuma we awoye ne de wapem. Say excavators wo ho, let's excavators na cost 1 billion. Now the jatum na wo shene there, that means government no wapem. You don't have any solution to govern the country. If you want to do something there, we agree. We know the Ghanaians what they can do. Or says you, I'm not for. And so no, at the end also yeah, there have to be another way. Yeah, bet me yeah, na yet me stop Sadia na yes because a yesika and a go on ye jatum neshi. Sadia will bet me say a diema economic because so many things. You think say oh Benny, you have the power to do it. It's okay. No, stop them. Put him Dubai. You cannot do so many. Sometimes I'm dream one. I'm say Ghana and no I'm share a DB and I'm share a EBAC or Sunyane. One guy is going to make a speech and somehow can and them say whoa nipa nintino. How can police Ghana police like Ghana police there media makan me say Ghana police have to work hard. Say Ghana police man your word. Let's a judge na ho. Let's say nipa ba akopeti me stop obi a okasa dia. Ene na we have more way to go. Because the police, what are they doing? Ghana police, what are they doing? Sometimes I'm a police if only jina hona nipa ba akopeti me stop obi so oka asama oka no no Kenya sesem because you cannot spend about 22 billion for one building. Na mu jina hona sebi obusa ni bi sika no de ma se koya. How can you do this? Ghanaians, let's do the right thing because the system is corrupt. I know the Obian to me can say no. And yen yina so ye. Yen ye kwa sorry, the biati saw them, yen ye we Muslim, ye co Muslim sorry no. Yeah, Ghana Christian and Muslim and ye also. And who are corrupt? Because will be a corrupt who? We are corrupt. Both. And you know, Miss Remo, media and go Paul make come actually. Because the system in Ghana have to work. So if the system is working there, any so no, I will say ye huaduma. I will say ye huadro papa. The people in Ghana, I will say ye huadro ye because I'm sorry to say we have a problem. We have a problem. We have a big problem because the no, and ya idea be boy or mine no, and yema bebre to sini. And your government no NDC, MPP, Obia. If the people behave the way they are behaving, I'm telling you, the government cannot do anything. Because I don't know ya no be saying no. Oh yeah no be saying oh what no, what can you do? So oh yeah the nipa na oh yeah the na ma omun say the na wo ye yempe no and the whole government no make me then. Government you cannot do anything. And you know media the American say hey say Ghana be ya Dubai is desert. Pa anwia mu. Mo hwe dan isi asa wo desert. Wo hu anwia bi kra da kwa so a. Anwia bi anaka kwan so. Why? Because the system obi Watch a sad, you know, so my yaquino, with the ball I see her, for ball a cocotum, a nipa no back to the ball and never walk or tum, or drive on now drive up. But the police will give you fine. And your system is working. So the system of Ghana have to start working now. So if the system didn't work out, and yeah, we have a long way to go. So system no anya juma Uncle Paul, media miwaha, and I mean Bobby Goom. May catch them play said if the system didn't work out, the government cannot do anything. And the people also have to change. The people have to change. Makan na mesaka biem. Because Obibeka say e di enti na ye change. Ah, they say yet some people have market can't be some can. Yet the ball I see was a fad yet being back at I see was a fad year tune. Nessa would do another tune change on Timmy Phantom. Now zoom lion for wha Omuba ye Jumantino. I will not do it there. Now all the other episode. Yet the bucket I see her set bucket way. Fanny Magum. Now who say at the end aluminium sika brade. And you know the government have to work hard. Yeah, dear, you better you go so last time video na me and dark a cram but fan cheme. Why? Me and all them nana I don't know, it was a little dark. And January Uncle Paul, the American say, Mr. Abino, you guys have to stop this. So excavator na mo shishino munyai because enya dia a good thing. And yet na a show say and yet good governance. It's a good governance now more than we the can who be cry. Mr. It is earlier the better. Some will be jai. Now my pebby before fraud ye because I don't no I can't see any sense of it. Say excavator cost 1 billion. Now the jacotum because nipana sounding. And you have the authority say who bet me a kipu at the end amount and I said any carton cry. Tom many powerful fro. Oko fire no cha you know what register what you are the government. You have the authority say at the end of me line sisima kasa people na at the end that's on metwam enya wo dia biem because makofa e wo nwuram mitimi dia si ho auction na mo aba be si ho na enipa bebre aba be gina ho na waton no wo de ton no be se be 600 old Ghana cedis million. It's a government, and if you are ready to get money, if you need money, this is how we say yes, you are governed. But oh shit, they are not saying any dear. Ah, maybe I mean I don't know the sense of it. So the Jabetu excavator palm 7-6. The back the now the jatum. For what reason? If my show where they are buying on you, it's better you stop from now. Stop it now. Now. Because we nya the beboa and your way susuntina like you are even damaged the economy. The economy of Ghana is damaged because of all these things. But you think say and no bet me aboa. I didn't bet me aboa because you have the authority. Then you now register machine. GP pana na cancel it. Tom will be free, but the Tom will be half of the price of any panacoton. No. Tom on 50,000 Ghana cedis. And you know. Abusia for Uncle Paul me demo be si ha na me dwen se Dubai na still aye wono Nyankopon onka on bibia ho na onhira mo sese no video no de na maka no me sha ase abo agum na nse na menta anye mo fa nche me pa me koso asambo agum na government ne de a message to you is stop burning the excavator now. Masama de ba nwumre ya no stop it now because emwa enye good name for the government. And your governor, just a wapim. Oh, shiny dear, just a wound to me, what can just say? It's like you don't have system. But the man, son of my here. So we are buying pana, oh shit, excavators. Who deals a bit me, BBDR? That's the government, you know. No, you have to rethink about this. Mr. Ramu, no one is against anybody. But this one, I don't think, I'm sorry to say, is a sensible thing to do. Say, ya shino enti na o shina ni ba no so o mu besa akwa akotu o ma ya ward o mu sand o mu sa akwa akotu o the machine ni organize ebinim kura use with that machine enti sa machine na mo sell no ne de earlier the better someone stop because it's not good thing. I'm so sorry to say it doesn't make any sense say ya shino enti dey We say we are na 1 billion. Ya Ghana ni bi pesa sika no. Some motor machine no half of the price crown value price crown anka mo betimi anya sika e de ahwe nyankafo Ghana fo bebrebre aduane ni pa be di crown they don't even have some. People are sleeping, without eating. That one you don't think about it. What the jar 10 minutes no shit machine no. That's why wait no media me say no nti me sramo aha na me de musi ne government no onwe hu ye na ontwa saa de no so it's not the best way to do. Just come again and do something else. For machine no very rate, sell it in the half price of it. Obi nkoto ne cheap ukota for rules kan enipa na de kosi ba bia within 1 month class an kofa machine no san. That's it. Oh yeah, rules no. You can do any rules. Say na maye. Me be forward machine wa ha. What koye ya na me ton me seize na ma ton. Nyankopon kan bibia ho abusa pan Uncle Paul. E chia obibia me de musi ha.